大海局势全球拢在关注。美国情报总监海恩斯指出讲，若是台积电因为中国拍台湾停止生产晶片，全球的经济损失一档大约是1兆美金。也毋过情报嘛评估讲，习近平应该是想要以和平的方式来统一台湾。美国国防情报局是认为讲，习近平的第3任期会阁加强对台湾施压的力头，因会密切关注。
台海情势变化万千，美方随时伫注意。国防情报局局长博瑞尔认为，中国国家主席习近平进入第3任期了后，加强对台施加压力。国防情报局会密切分析习近平讲的每一字。
Xi Jinping and his style of communication. He has been on a long-term campaign to oversee China's rise. Now that he's in his third term, we see his rhetoric picking up. I believe that there are a number of dates out there that mean different things to different people. We've talked about 2025, 2027, 2035, and 2049.
美国情报总监海恩斯指出，若做台积电因为中国还台停止生产制造晶片，安尼会使全球的经济年损失达到1兆美金。不过，根据美国情报评估显示，习近平也是偏向用和平的方式统一台湾。
We continue to assess that he would prefer to achieve unification of Taiwan through peaceful means, but the reality is that he is and has directed his military to provide him with the military option, essentially, to be able to take it without concern of our intervention. And that is something that will have a meaningful impact on his capacity to do so and also his decision-making, presumably.
根据人媒报道，前白宫国安顾问欧布莱恩最近接受访问的时阵警告，中国武力侵台真有可能伫1至2年内就会发生。美国、日本应该协助台湾防卫，并给因外交的力量支持，迄件阻止中国。
We have also seen outstanding performances from our women athletes in international sporting events and have given Taiwan a stronger global presence.
总统蔡英文出席女性体坛国际摄影比赛颁奖，要用运动外交，让世界看到台湾。不过，欧布莱恩3月访问台湾的时阵，嘛提出全民应该学会用枪，这原来引起全民国防意识的讨论。记者综合报道。